Okay, so hello everyone. I'm again here back with the one more program based on list comprehension, but now it is like for if else condition. So it is just two lines of a code right now, just for the simple program that is odd even number. So for example, I can write result equal to, and it is a list comprehension. Let's say. So let me write that full line first. For example, double quotation. I will write even. Okay, if I then modulus by 2 equal to 0, then else part, then double quotation and odd, and then I will write my for loop, that is for I in range, and 0 comma 10 bracket close, and then next line, if it is something like this, for example, print and result. Okay, so here you all can see here, like we started with the value which we want to store, but it can be even also, it can be odd also, it depends on the condition. And then we are writing our for loop thing. But first of all, the question is, if we write for loop instead of here, if I write at the beginning something like this, okay, we will get the error. See here, it is invalid syntax, because whatever you want to store exactly that you have to write first. Okay, so this way it is not possible. That's why we have to write for loop after this if condition and else condition. So how it is going to work, it will start from for loop, that is I in range 0 comma 10, and then then one by one number will get stored in I, and it will check for the condition. If it is true, then it will print even, otherwise it will print odd, and likewise it will continue till 9. And then let's see now what answer we are getting. See, it is even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, and likewise till last is 9. That's why it is odd. So this is how you can write a list comprehension, or you can say that how you can use list comprehension with the if else condition. Thank you everyone.